for our shortlist.
Thank you, Ella. Some great nominees in this category. We have Evonik, Haemopharm Healthcare, NEMERA and Noble International, Phillips-Medisize, a Molex company, SHL Medical, and CO2. And now for the winner. Ella, please do the honours.
Gladly, Alan. So, the winner of the 2022 Packaging and Delivery category was selected based on what the jury felt was a very important and useful drug delivery technology, considering the expanding role of RNA technologies within industry. So, congratulations to Evonik with Beyond LNPs, Polymeric nucleic acid, delivery from Evonik Stanford University.